This is the Oklahoma City and Edmond, Oklahoma real estate report after the second quarter going into the third quarter of 2022. Hi, this is Keith May with Keller Williams Realty in Central Oklahoma. Every year at the end of the quarter, I do a quarterly real estate report comparing where we are at right now in the year compared to the previous year. So we just finished the second quarter of 2022. We're past Independence Day, and I want to get into the information right now. In Oklahoma City, starting listings year to date compared to this time last year in 2021 year to date are up about 1.6%. Pending sales are actually down 2.1%, and closed sales are up 2.7%. Now the median price in Oklahoma City continues to rise. It's up to about $225,000 from $200,000 last year. And the days on the market actually have come down in Oklahoma City. It's 17 days on the market so far this year compared to about 20 days on the market at this time. So one thing to point out, I noticed from Oklahoma City and talking to other people and just feeling it, is in the medium to low price ranges, you can't really get away with selling junk anymore. You got to clean up your house a little bit, or it's going to take a little bit longer to sell. You're going to have a little bit more competition. So you've got to start to clean up the property. You can't just throw it on there anymore and expect a buyer to bid $20,000 over just because. Now on to Edmond, Oklahoma after the second quarter 2022, comparing it to where we were at the end of the second quarter 2021. Listings are actually down about 1.7%. Pending sales are down minus 10%, and closed sales are down minus 12%. So we're feeling interest rates up a little bit. From those statistics, I think days on the market are actually down, like Oklahoma City. 25 days on the market through this time last year in Edmond. Now it's 17 days on the market. Prices, the median price again is up to $354,000 in Edmond, Oklahoma. It was $295,000 at this point last year. A couple things to point out in Edmond and anywhere, when you see a price reduced sign or a price reduced listing, that doesn't mean that prices are coming down necessarily. What it means is the seller may have gotten a little bit bold initially, and so they're bringing it down to where it should be to sell again, instead of just chasing that buyer who's going to pay a premium price. So something I think too you'll see with the absorption rates, if you get a little bit more detailed on prices and days on the market in specific price points, is while days on the market have come down generally, in the upper price ranges, again, maybe partially because of the interest rates, things are starting to take a minute to sell. When I say a minute, a couple can get off work, look at a house, talk to their realtor about it, perhaps review the comps, see the disclosure, go to dinner, sleep on it, and wake up the next morning and inform the realtor what they want to do, instead of having to make an offer right when they step into the door to even have a chance. So we'll probably see a little more days in the market, especially in the upper price range properties. We still have an inventory issue. There's just not enough houses for sale. That's why most people think prices won't go down. They'll just continue to level in our market. I have an information link in the video below and in YouTube. Please take a minute and click on that link. There's different ways not only to contact me, but other popular videos, some good resources. I have a link to an app where I can put you on what we call a neighborhood nurture, so you can keep up with trends and insights in your particular neighborhood. I'd love for you to comment on the video, click on subscribe to this YouTube channel, as we put out content about 3 times a month, normally on Sundays, or you can call me the old-fashioned way as well. I'll be happy to visit with you. Have a good summer, everyone, and stay cool.